Hi students, good morning. What are we going to do today? Today we are going to solve a test जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे बच्चों ने बोला था सर टेस्ट बहुत बड़ा था सर इतनी जल्दी कैसे होगा. So I'm going to solve that particular test for you. Post than this, of course, I'm going to continue this particular video. So this video is going to be a bit more longer, and of course I'm going to solve the area related to circles. So those questions are also going to come. So without wasting time, let's start. I'm going to keep on telling you certain tips and tricks through which you can solve these. Choice आपकी आपको कैसे करना है. Question number 1. If sin A equals to 8 by 17, so if sin A should be equals to 8k by 17k. Why k? Because k is any constant, where k is any constant. Let's draw the figure first of all. So there is this triangle. Whenever you are drawing the figure, if you are drawing the figure, make sure it's already being or only being drawn with the help of a ruler. Now sin A, let's draw an angle somewhere over here. You can make the angle over here also. It's 8k, तो sin A का formula क्या होता है? It's perpendicular upon hypotenuse or opposite side upon hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? This is the opposite side, which is known as perpendicular. So this one is 8k. Hypotenuse is 17k, longest side 17k. Now what is AB? Very simple. Now AB should be equal to this square minus this square, right? So let's apply the Pythagoras theorem. So the AB square should be equals to under root of BC square minus AC square, or in simple word, that is it should be equals to, what is BC square? That is 17k, that is 289k square minus, and then 8k. What is 8k? It should be 64k square. This will be equals to 225k square. Sir, आपको learn है क्या? I told you on the very first day of mathematics, कुछ के squares यदि आपको learn होंगे, trigonometry will become so simple, guys. It's very simple. So now, I'm sorry, this is not AB square, this is AB. AB should be equals to, that is 15k. If you are wondering why have I not taken plus minus sign, distance can never be in negative. Distance will always be in positive. Displacement can be in negative because of vector quantity. Anyway, so AB is 15k. As soon as I got AB 15k, now you have got everything, guys. What else? Sin A है आपके पास में. What is cos A? So cos A should be equals to base upon hypotenuse or adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So base will be what? 15k upon 17k. I'm speaking a bit faster because I need to solve these questions a bit faster. 17k, k cancel, answer is 15 by 17. इसी का reciprocal भी साथ में लिख दो. Sec A कितना हो जाएगा? 17 by 15. Why? Because it is 1 upon cos A. ये भी हो गया. Next, coming on to the part, tan A. What is tan A? It should be equal to perpendicular upon base, or it is also known as opposite upon this one, right? So it is opposite, which is 8k upon what is base, which is 15k. K cancel, or cot A should be equals to reciprocal of tan कितना हो जाएगा? 15 upon 8, and that's all. This is done. What about cosec? यहीं पर ही लिख दो. Cosec A should be equals to reciprocal कर दो 17 upon 8, and that's all. It's done. Good. आगे बढ़ते हैं. सर लेकिन तो नॉर्मल मेथड हो गया ना. What about the trick? Okay. तुम लोग बनाए तो tricks. Okay. So let's now talk about the word trick. Now trick is just so simple. It will be solving your question in 30 seconds. Now listen to me what I am saying very carefully, because I'll be moving with the speed of Rajdhani Express, almost next to it. Sin A, orally, without using any pen. Sin A equals to 8 upon 17. That means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular है, hypotenuse है, क्या चीज नहीं है? Base नहीं है. Base क्या होता है? Under root of longest side square minus one side square. That means hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. 17 का square is 289 minus 8 square is 64. 289 माइनस 64 हमेशा हमेशा करने की जरूरत नहीं है, 225 ही आता है। 289 माइनस 64 विल बी 225। 225 किसका स्क्वायर रूट होता है? 15 का, राइट? यदि उसका स्क्वायर रूट करूंगा तो क्या होगा? 15। 15 आ चुका। व्हाट इज 15? 15 इज द बेस। परपेंडिकुलर है, हाइपोटेन्यूज है, बेस आ गया। अब कॉमन सेंस सोचो, साइन आ चुका है, इसका रेसिप्रोकल करूंगा कोसेक आ जाएगा। कॉस कितना होगा? बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज। हाइपोटेन्यूज पहले से है, बेस कितना निकाला था? 15। 15 अपॉन 17 आंसर। व्हाट अबाउट सेक ए? उल्टा कर दो, 17 अपॉन 15। व्हाट अबाउट tan a? इट इज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस। व्हाट इज परपेंडिकुलर? ये रहा परपेंडिकुलर 8। व्हाट इज बेस? निकाला था कितना? 15। उल्टा कर दो, cot a। cot a कितना हो जाएगा? एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट, दैट इज 15 अपॉन 8। दैट्स ऑल, इट्स डन। If you'll see the time, it would come in less than 1 minute. Now what you need to do is only presentation, which would hardly take 1 minute max. Sir, इतनी जल्दी नहीं होता, होगा यदि आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे। Let's see without wasting time question number 2 now. Sec A equals to 25/7. First of all, I'll try to speak in oral form and then I'll start solving in the long form. Sec A equals to 25/7, correct? मुझे सेक समझ में नहीं आता, बिकॉज सर साइन समझ में आता है, कॉस आता है, टैन आता है, ये सेक उल्टे वाले नहीं आ रहे समझ में। नो प्रॉब्लम, रेसिप्रोकल करो। कॉस ए कितना हो जाएगा? 7/25। अब यदि कॉस ए आपका 7/25 हो गया, दैट मीन्स कॉस ए का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज। व्हाट इज बेस? व्हाट इज हाइपोटेन्यूज? क्या बचा? परपेंडिकुलर। कैसे निकालोगे? दिस स्क्वायर माइनस दिस स्क्वायर, लॉन्गेस्ट साइड स्क्वायर माइनस शॉर्ट साइड स्क्वायर, राइट? 25 का स्क्वायर 625 रटे होने चाहिए। 625 माइनस 7 का स्क्वायर 49। 625 माइनस 49 इज 576। 576 का स्क्वायर रूट कितना होगा? इट्स गोइंग टू बी 24। दैट मीन्स नाउ आई हैव गॉट बेस, हाइपोटेन्यूज, तो परपेंडिकुलर कितना आ गया? 24। अब थिंक अबाउट इट, साइन ए का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? साइन ए इज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज। परपेंडिकुलर कितना निकाला? 24। 24 अपॉन 25 आंसर आ जाएगा। What about cosec A? Simple, 25 upon 24. What about tan A? Perpendicular upon base, मतलब 24 upon what? 7. Tan A perpendicular कितना आया था? 24 और upon base कितना है? 7, right? And what about cot? Exactly उल्टा कर दो, once again 7/24. Now let's see whether we have done the right thing or wrong. I don't know, and I'm never ever overconfident. गलती हो सकती है मुझसे. Let's see. Sec A should be equals to 25k by 7k, where k is any constant. Right? Now, sec A का फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? Sec A will be reciprocal of cos A. तो मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया cos A. It should be equals to 7k by 25k, or it should be equals to base upon hypo. Immediately I have drawn a triangle, right? Let's say A, B and C. ये name है, इसका मतलब base और hypotenuse होता है. Let's draw this particular part over here. Then the base will be this, which is what? Which is 7k. Hypotenuse is this, which is what? 25k. Now Pythagoras theorem. So let's apply. What is Pythagoras theorem? It says AC should be equals to square root of, that is BC square minus AB square, correct? Or it should be equals to, what is BC square? BC square is 25k ka whole square, which comes out as 625k square minus, and then 7k. 7k ka whole square is 49k square, which should be equals to under root of 576k square, which should be equals to 24k. guys, आ चुका आपके पास में AC, यहीं पर ही पहले लिख दो 24k, तो कभी गलती नहीं होगी, बच्चों की तरह लिख दो। बचपना करना बहुत अच्छा होता है मैथ्स में। नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द पार्ट ऑफ cos A. cos A सेके ऑलरेडी आ चुका था। लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द वर्ड sin A. इट शुड बी इक्वल्स टू P upon H. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 24k. Let's write it as 24k upon H. H is what? H is 25k. So this is 25k. You want to put the names? Put the names also. AB upon AC, BC upon AC, जो भी लिखना है वो लिख दो। K cancel. Answer is 24 upon what? 25. और कोसेक A कितना हो जाएगा आपके पास में? इसी का रेसिप्रोकल, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 25 अपॉन 24, ये भी हो गया। लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द वर्ड tan. tan A should be equals to base upon perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? That's 24k. What is base? That is 7k. K cancel. Answer is 24 by 7. Or cot A should be equals to what? That is 7 by 24. So इसको reciprocal कर दो. And that's all, it's done. So I've told you the trick. I've told you this also. Let's move on to the next. I'm doing this so in a hurriedly fashion. Why? Because I need to tell you that actually जो आपको पेपर दिया था वो उतना टाइम नहीं लेता है कंप्लीट होने के लिए. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पर आते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, सिंपल शॉर्टकट ट्रिक. साइन थीटा इक्वल्स टू 1/2. क्या ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल में साइन थीटा में 1/2 आता है? यस. कब आता है? 30 डिग्रीज पे. यदि आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल लर्न है फिर तो वैसे भी हो गया. साइन थीटा 1/2, इसका मतलब थीटा की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई? 30 डिग्रीज. पुट कर दो आंसर को, मालूम पड़ जाएगा. बट अभी हम उससे नहीं करते. सो लेट्स सी. गिवन sin theta equals to 1/2. Now if you want to find out cos theta then you can use multiple formulas. आप दोबारा से ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, हाइपोटेन्यूज निकालो और उससे भी कर सकते हो, और I'll use this method. It's not compulsory. Sin square theta plus cos square theta should be equals to 1. Remember मैथ्स में बिल्कुल कंपलसरी नहीं होता है कि आप कौन सा मेथड करो. The steps should be right. It should make a logical sense. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. आइडेंटिटी होती है, राइट? लेट्स पुट द वैल्यू. 1/2 तो 1/2 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस cos square theta should be equals to 1, और cos theta should be equals to √1 minus 1/4. कैसे आया? 1/2 का स्क्वायर will become 1/4, will come on to the right hand side, will become negative. सॉल्व करा. cos theta should be equals to 4 minus 1 is 3/4. सॉल्व करूंगा तो ये आ जाएगा √3/2, राइट? cos थीटा की वैल्यू √3/2 आ चुका है. पुट कर दो इन द क्वेश्चन जो उन्होंने पूछा है. 3 ब्रैकेट √3/2 माइनस 4 ब्रैकेट √3/2 का होल क्यूब. करेक्ट? प्रूव करने को बोला है. शुड बी इक्वल्स टू 0, तो आंसर आ जाएगा 3√3/2 minus 4 bracket √3 into √3 into √3 will be what? 3√3, क्योंकि √3 into √3 3 होता है, और एक और √3 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो 3√3. 2 का क्यूब will be 2 into 2 into 2 8 should be equals to 0. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So ये आ चुका है यहाँ पर 3√3/2 minus 3√3/2. Cancel. LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. It's done. Let's move on to the next question now. Questions are guys very simple. आप चाहो तो सेम क्वेश्चन को you could have done with the help of figure also, तब भी सेम आता. Moving on to the question number 4. Now problem is cos theta के टेबल में 3/5 नहीं आता. So no problem. हमेशा ध्यान रखना जब भी कभी sin थीटा या cos थीटा में न्यूमरेटर में 3 या 4 या 5 कुछ भी आ रहा है, 5 नहीं 3 या 4 आ रहा है, और डिनोमिनेटर में यदि 5 है, इसका मतलब दैट्स अ पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट. 3 4 5. So let's see. Question number 4. Cos theta should be equals to 3/5. Right? So मैंने इसको लिख दिया 3k 5k as usual. The same particular part. Right? आगे बढ़ जाते हैं यहाँ पर. So once again let's draw the triangle. यहाँ पर आपके पास बन गया से A, B and C. So cos theta is 3k. That means what is this? This is base upon hypotenuse. So what is hypotenuse? It's 5k. What is base? It's 3k. Perpendicular. Very simple. So यहाँ पर आ चुका है मेरे पास में BC should be equals to √ of that is 5k whole square minus 3k whole square. Applying what? Pythagoras theorem. So it would come out as what? This is 25k square minus 9k square. Correct? So it should be equals to what? This should be equals to √16k square. It should be equals to 4k. वापस से प्लस माइनस नहीं लगाएंगे because distance is always positive. 4k आ चुका. Let's write it over here to make sure that we don't repeat the mistake. Now इन्होंने क्या पूछा है? 5 cosec theta. So यहाँ पर लिखा मैंने 5 cosec theta. I'm just writing the question. So it's 4 tan theta whole upon sec theta plus cot theta. It should be equals to 5 cosec theta. Now first of all I need to know what is cosec theta. So cosec theta का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? It should be equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, क्योंकि sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse कितना है? 5k. परपेंडिकुलर कितना है? 4k. कैंसिल, 5 अपॉन 4 आ गया, तो यहां पर आएगा 5 ब्रैकेट 5 अपॉन 4, देन कम्स माइनस 4 ब्रैकेट tan थीटा. व्हाट इज tan थीटा? इट्स परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस, 4k अपॉन 3k, मतलब 4 अपॉन 3, k के कैंसिल, होल अपॉन sec थीटा. व्हाट इज sec थीटा? एग्जैक्टली इसका रेसिप्रोकल. कितना था sec थीटा आपके पास में? 3 अपॉन 5 था, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 5 अपॉन 3. तो लेट्स राइट 5 अपॉन 3 प्लस कॉट थीटा. व्हाट इज कॉट थीटा? कहीं निकाला था क्या tan हमने? ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट नाउ कॉट थीटा. सो कॉट थीटा should be equals to what? That is base upon perpendicular, because tan theta होता है perpendicular upon base. So what is base? It's 3k upon perpendicular. It's 4k. k के cancel, 3 upon 4. तो ये आ चुका 3 upon 4. Let's solve it. 5 into 5 will become what? 25 by 4 minus 16 by 3 whole upon 4 and 3 LCM is 12. 3 4 4 5 is 20 plus 4 3 times is 9. It should be equal to, इसको भी solve कर देता हूँ ऊपर. So this is gonna become what? 4 and 3 LCM is 12. 3 times it's 75 minus 4 4 16 4 is 64 whole upon 20 plus 9 is 29 by 12. Correct? That's what they have asked you to find it out. So 12 and 12 will get cancelled. So 5 minus 4 comes out as 1 and 7 minus 6 is 1. So it will be what? 11 upon 29. And that's all will be the answer. Got it? I mean check कर लेना यदि मैंने कहीं पे गड़बड़ी करी हो तो I'll just once again check it. Cos theta is 3 upon 5. So it's 3 upon 5, that is base upon hypotenuse. Pythagorean triplet से 4 आ जाएगा. Then comes उन्होंने बोला था फाइंड करने को 5 cosec theta. That means 5 cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse is 5 upon perpendicular is 4. So 5 upon 4, 5 into 5 is 25 by 4 minus 4 tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base, that is 4 upon 3. So 16 upon 3, no problem over here. 25 by 4 minus 16 by 3. Next check नीचे. Sec theta का मतलब हो जाएगा hypotenuse upon base, that is hypotenuse 5k upon base is 3k. So it will be 5 upon 3. So 5 upon 3 plus cot theta is perpendicular upon base का reciprocal, that is base upon perpendicular, that is 3k upon 4k. So 3 upon 4, no problem. 4 and 3 LCM 12, 12 and 12 can be cancelled. 20 plus 9, correct? 3 times, I'm sorry, 4 5 is 20. So 3 3 9. Okay, 29 by 12, 12 will cancel. Then comes 4 and 3 is LCM is 12. 4 3 times is 25, 75. 3 4 4 into 16 is 64. 5 minus 4 1, 7 minus 6 1, 11 by 29 is the answer. So I've checked it also. Hopefully I'm not wrong. If I am, pardon me. Next पर आते हैं guys. Let's move on to the next question. What is the next question? Next question says something like this. So question number 4 is done, right? Okay, question number 5. Sec theta equals to 5 by 4. So I'll just make myself comfortable with this. So मैंने जानबूझ करके लिख दिया. Question number 5. Cos theta should be equals to 4 by 5. अब देखो फिर से 4 by 5 आ गया. इसका मतलब पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट. ये है मेरा बेस, ये है मेरा क्या? हाइपोटेन्यूज. So this should be 4k by 5k. It should be equals to base upon hypotenuse. Once again the same triangle. बेस कितना हो चुका है आपके पास में? as 4k, hypotenuse is what? 5k. तो कॉमन सेंस ये वाला पार्ट कितना आएगा? 3k. कैसे? 25 minus 9 is 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. 9 का अंडर रूट करूंगा तो 3k ही आएगा. But let's just solve it for you. So this is h square equals to p square plus b square. Now since I need to find out p square, or p should be equals to under root of h square minus b square, it should be equals to under root of, what is h square? H square is 25k square minus what is b square? B square is 16k square, should be equals to, that is 9k square, which should be equals to 3k. Of course minus में नहीं होगा. ये भी आ चुका। अब उन्होंने क्या बोला है निकालने के लिए, 2 cos थीटा। सो 2, so I'm just writing down the question, 2 cos theta minus sin theta whole upon cot theta minus tan theta, correct? It should be equals to, उन्होंने बोला है प्रूव करने को, that is 12/7. Now how should I do it? 2 cos theta, so what is 2? 2 के जगह पर 2 cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, so 4/5. 4/5 minus what is sin theta? It's perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 3/5. Whole upon what is cot theta? Cot theta is base upon perpendicular, right? So base is 4 upon perpendicular is 3, so it will be 4/3 minus tan theta. Tan theta is exactly cot का उल्टा ही होगा, that is 3/4, क्योंकि tan theta क्या होता है, perpendicular upon base, that is 3/4. और वैसे भी जब अपना यदि गलत आएगा तो आंसर वैसे भी मैच नहीं करने वाला. So let's see, 2 into 4 comes out as 8/5 minus 3/5 whole upon 3 and 4 is 12, 3 4 4 4 is 16 minus 4 3 3 is 9. It should be equals to what? 8 minus 3 is 5/5 whole upon 16 minus 9 is what? That is 7/12. So ये आ जाएगा 1/7/12 or it should be equals to 12/7. Is this what we need to prove? Of course yes, that's all. It's being proved, it's done. Let's move on to the next question, guys. So moral of the story is you just need to get the speed. How will you get the speed? By solving the influence book out. That's all. Don't worry, मैं influence की publicity नहीं कर रहा, but जो आपको book दी है, that's really important for you to solve if you want to score or if you want to even get better than me in this particular speed. Okay, so let's moving on. Okay, so let us now start with question number 6. In triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees. So let's make a triangle ABC. So angle A, angle B, angle C, where angle B is 90 degrees. AB is equals to 5. So AB is equals to 5. BC is equals to 12. Find, find sin A, sin C, sec A and sec C. Okay. तो now अब इन्होंने आपको बोल करके रखा हुआ है आपको दो A के एंगल फाइंड करने हैं, which is your sin A and sec A. और आपको दो एंगल C के फाइंड करने हैं, which is sin C and sec C. Okay, so let's now first of all take this particular angle, that is the C. C के लिए ये हो गया perpendicular और ये हो गया base, correct? So let's now take it. Let's now find out the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square should be equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse का square, h का square should be equals to h square. It should be equals to p square. That is 5 square plus b square is 12 square. So h should be equals to under root of 169. It should be equals to 13 units. ये आ चुका. तो मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया b के AC के जगह पर 13 पर. Now let's find out what is now sin A. So directly लिख देता हूँ sin A. तो पहले मैंने sin A लिया, तो sin A के लिए opposite side या perpendicular कौन सा हो जाएगा? ये. तो it should be 12 upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? 13. ये हो चुका. Let's find out now sec A. What is sec A now? Sec A reciprocal होता है cos A का. That means base upon hypotenuse. What is base? Base is 12, hypotenuse is 13. तो उल्टा कर दूंगा तो आंसर आ जाएगा कितना? 13/12. ये भी हो चुका. Let's move on to the next part, that is sin C. What is sin C now? Sin C should be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. यदि मैंने अब की बार C लिया तो this is C. Perpendicular is 5 upon hypotenuse is 13. Answer आ गया 5/13. Let's now move on to the word sec C. So what is now sec C? That is this particular part. And now sec का मतलब होता है reciprocal of cos. Cos का मतलब base upon hypotenuse. इसके लिए base हो जाएगा this 12/13. That is what? Once again, adjacent will be 13/12. Both of them are same. That means कुछ तो गड़बड़ी करी है. Sec A का मतलब हो जाएगा यहाँ पर sec A would be, अच्छा sorry, that is hypotenuse upon base. So hypotenuse upon base, base will be 5. So it's my fault. So this would be 5. So that's all. So that's all is the answer for sec A, sec C, sin C and sin A. Let's now directly move on to the next question, and that is question number 7. So let's draw the question number 7. यहाँ पर जगह है. In triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees. So once again, angle B, it should be equals to 90 degrees. So let's make angle B is 90. Then comes AB is equal to 7. So AB is equals to 7. Then comes AC minus BC equals to 1. AC minus BC should be equals to 1. Correct? Now if AC minus BC should be equals to 1, that means AC should be equals to 1 plus BC. Correct? What does Pythagoras theorem say? Pythagoras theorem says AC square should be equals to AB square plus BC square. Correct? So AC की जगह पर ये वैल्यू डाल देता हूँ. So which is 1 plus BC whole square should be equals to AB square plus BC square. Right? Yeah, correct. So that is BC square. Correct? Now let's do this particular part. So यहाँ पर आ जाएगा आपके पास में that is 1 plus BC square plus 2BC. What is AB? It should be 7. 7 का square is what? 49 and plus BC square. Common sense, BC square and BC square will get cancelled. So this particular part will become 2BC. It should be equal to 49 minus 1 will become 48. So BC will become what? BC should become 24. इसका हाफ हो जाएगा. So ये मैंने लिख दिया BC should be equals to what? 24. Correct? If now BC should be equals to 24, that means AC minus BC. So what is AC now? So AC minus 24 should be equals to 1 और AC should be equals to 24 plus 1 is 25. तो AC कितना हो चुका है? 25. Let's check whether our answer is right or wrong. 25 square is 625. It should be equals to 24 square plus 7 square. 24 का स्क्वायर होता है 576 plus 7 का स्क्वायर is 49. 576 plus 49 will become 625. LHS should be equals to RHS. That's all. But that is not what the question is asking. What is the question asking? Find sin C and cos C. Correct? Sin C perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So यहाँ पर मैंने लिख दिया sin C should be equals to perpendicular is 7 upon hypotenuse is 25. What is now cos C? Cos C should be equals to base, that is 24 upon 25. Of course guys, you need to write the formula also. So that's all. Let's move directly on to question number 8. Please understand, मैं आपको यहाँ समझा रहा हूँ, आपको एग्जाम में किसी को समझाना नहीं होगा. So it should take much more faster than this particular video to solve all the questions. So let's go ahead. Of course आपको ये रब भी नहीं करना होगा एग्जाम के अंदर. Okay, so let's now move on to question number 7th was done. So question number 8 पर आता है. So what is now question number 8? So question number 8 says angle B should be equals to 90 degrees. Angle BAC should be equal to theta. BC should be equal to CD should be equal to 4 and AD should be equals to 10 centimeter. This is given to you. Of course this question was wrong because we forgot to give you sin theta and cos theta. Find क्या करना है? But let's assume इसका figure कैसे बनेगा. So I'll of course give those particular people, I mean I have to give you all full marks for this. So let's see, angle B should be equal to 90 degrees. So ये रहा मेरे पास में angle B which is 90 degree, that's all. Angle BAC is theta. Angle BAC should be equals to what? Angle BAC should be equals to theta. That's your theta. Okay. Then comes BC is equal to CD equals to 4 centimeter. Now BC is 4, but CD, अब D कहाँ है? I don't know. So I don't know where is D. So CD should be equals to 4, but they are saying AD is equals to 10. So let's make a point somewhere on this particular line, जो कि equally होगा जितना BC है. So let's make another line as point D. So this is also 4. This is also 4. This is also 4. This is also 4. And now let's join AD, and this particular part will be equals to what? And this should be equals to 10 centimeter. Correct? So this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and this is 10 centimeter. Now they haven't given you theta. Now what are they asking you? They are asking you find sin theta and cos theta. So you need to find sin theta and you also need to find out what? Cos theta. Correct? Understand, this particular part is 4, right? This is also 4. This is given to you as 10, and they want to, or they by the way want you to find out what is sin theta and cos theta. And this angle BAC is given to you as theta. Correct? So let's find it out. So यहाँ पर यदि sin theta मैंने ले लिया, तो sin theta should be equals to what? That is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 4 upon, in this particular triangle, what do you think the hypotenuse is? That is AC. Correct, because I don't know what is, by the way, this particular thing. Let's move on to the word cos theta. What is cos theta? It should be equal to base. Cos theta ka base is this, right? That is AB upon hypotenuse is what? That is AC. Now I don't know that what this particular part is, but मुझे इतना मालूम है कि इस बड़े ट्रायंगल के अंदर, in this bigger triangle, that is in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, BD should be equals to 4, AD should be equals to 10. So common sense, I can find out AB. How? By Pythagoras theorem. So that is AD square should be equals to, because that's a right angle triangle. That's what the book says, or the question says. So AD square should be equals to, that is what? BD square plus AB square. So AD square, I don't know, or no, I know, that is 10 ka square is 100. What is BD square? BD square is 8 square, that is 64. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 square is 64. Plus, what is AB? I don't know. And this one, seriously, I don't know. So, AB square, let it be like this, or AB should be equals to 100 minus 64, which comes out as root 36, which comes out as 6. So, that means now AB should be equals to what? 6. If AB equals to 6, let's put down the values over here. So, AB के जगह पर कितना हो जाएगा? That is 6 upon AC. But sir, once again आ गया यदि, so as you can see guys, that AB should be equals to 6 centimeter. Now since AB is equals to 6 centimeter, आपके पास में AB भी आ चुका है, BC भी आ चुका है. Now can you find out AC? Of course you can. So let's find out now AC, though actually that is also not required, but still निकाल लेते हैं. So AC should be equals to under root of Pythagoras theorem applying in triangle number ABC, that should be equals to 6 square plus 4 square. So this should be equals to what? That is 36 plus 16. Should be equals to what? That is 36 plus 10 is 46 plus 6 is 52. Correct? Because this is 6 square plus 4 square. So 36 plus 16, and it should be equals to AC वाला part. So that is root 52. एक मिनट के लिए इसको ऐसे साइड में रखते हैं. Now guys, आपके पास में यहाँ पर थीटा वाला पार्ट था, करेक्ट? उन्होंने आपको बोला था क्वेश्चन नंबर, which question number was this by the way? That was question number 8. Okay. So question number 8 में they asked you find sin theta and cos theta. What is sin theta? It should be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So AC is what? That is root 52. Sin theta की वैल्यू निकाल लो, 4 upon root 52. And then cos theta, it should be equal to base, that means 6 upon AC is what? Root 52. So that's all. If you want to further solve it, guys, 52 के factors निकाल दो. 2, 26, 2, 13. So answer will be what? 13 root 2. Correct? Sorry, 2 root 13. So it should be 4 upon 2 root 13, or 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Answer is 2 by root 13. यहाँ पर भी सेम ही आएगा बाहर, so 2 3 times, तो ये आ जाएगा 3 by root 13. And that's all guys, this is done. Let's move on to the next question guys. So question number, moving on to from question number 8 to question number 9, which was technically chapter topic जो first वाला topic था, मैं वो वाला ले रहा हूँ question. So first part 1, what is that question? Sin 60 cos 30. Sin 60 cos 30 guys, ये तो लेस देन इवन 1 मिनट के क्वेश्चंस हैं. माइनस cos 60 sin 30, यही क्वेश्चन है. sin 60 की वैल्यू रूट 3 by 2, cos 30 की वैल्यू रूट 3 by 2, माइनस cos 60 की वैल्यू 1 by 2, sin 30 की वैल्यू 1 by 2. रूट 3 to रूट 3 is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Answer is 2 by 4, which is equals to 1 by 2. That's all, answer आ गया. Let's move on to first के second वाले part पर आते हैं. Second part is tan 30. What is tan 30? It should be equals to 1 by root 3 into cosec 60. Cosec मतलब sin 60. Sin 60 का मतलब root 3 by 2 होता है, तो मतलब root 3 by 2. That means ये हो जाएगा 2 by root 3. Correct? Then पर आते हैं plus की जगह plus. Then is tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3 into sec 30. Sec 30 मतलब cos 30. Cos 30 का मतलब होता है root 3 by 2, तो it will be 2 by root 3. So into 2 by root 3. Hopefully if I am not mistaken, let's check it again. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Cosec 60 का मतलब होता है sin 60. Sin 60 का मतलब reciprocal. Sin 60 would be root 3 by 2. That means 2 by root 3, which is right. Plus tan 60 is root 3, and then sec 30. That means reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2. That means 2 by root 3. Cancel करते हैं यहाँ से, तो यहाँ पर आएगा 2 upon root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus 2. So answer will be 2 plus 6 is LCM लिया मैंने, 2 plus 6 will come out as 8 upon 3, and that's all is the answer. Next पर आते हैं guys, question number second का first. So it should be sin square 30. Sin square 30 का मतलब हो जाएगा 1 upon 2 का whole square. Then comes cos square 45, which will come as 1 upon root 2 का whole square. Then comes plus की जगह plus का sign. Then comes 4 tan square 30 मतलब 4 into 1 by root 3 का whole square. Then comes plus की जगह plus, then comes 1 by 2 sin square 90 is 1 का square plus 1 by 8 cot square 60. Guys, tan 60 is root 3, so cot 60 will be 1 by root 3 का whole square. Correct? Now let's start solving it out. So 1 by 2 का square will become 1 by 4 into 1 by root 2 का square will be 1 by 2 plus 4 by root 3 का square will be 3 plus 1 by 2 into 1 का square will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8 into 1 by root 3 into root 3 is 1 by 3. 3 into 8 is 24. 1 by 24. Solve करूँगा, LCM निकाला, पहले तो उसको और simplify कर देते हैं. 1 upon 8 plus 4 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 24. Let's solve it. 8 3 to 24 will become what? That means LCM will be 24. 8 3 times 3 plus 3 8. 8 into 4 is 32 plus 2 12. 12 into 1 is 12 plus 24 and then 1. Let's solve it. So answer will be 35 plus 10 45 plus 2 47 plus 1 48 by 24. An answer would come out as 2. So that's all the answer is, guys. You simply need to put down the values, get the answer. Let's move on directly on to the next, that is third का first. दो जब आप लोग क्लास 11th में आ जाओगे, all of these topics आपको हंसी आएगी because ये सारे के सारे formulas बन जाते हैं जो आप अभी solve कर रहे हो. And यदि आपने formulas use करे तो वो तो एक ही लाइन में आ जाएगा. For example, ये फॉर्मूला जो है, ये फॉर्मूला होता है tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B, और ये फॉर्मूला होता है tan A minus B का. तो tan A minus B मतलब 60 minus 30 is 30. But let's not go into there. So let's solve this question. So third का first. Tan 60 is root 3 minus tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole upon 1 plus tan 60 is root 3 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Root 3 will get cancel. इसको cancel मत कर देना. LCM आएगा 3 minus 1 will be 2 by root 3 upon 1 plus 1 will be what? 2. Correct? 60, yeah, correct. 2. So 2 से वाला 2 भी cancel. Answer is what? 1 by root 3. And which is equals to tan 30 degrees. That is also equals to 1 by root 3. Hence proved it's done. Let's move on to the third का second. Cos 60, so cos 60 की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? That is 1 by 2 should be equals to 1 minus 2 bracket 1 by 2 का whole square should be equals to 2. 2 की जगह 2. Cos 30 की वैल्यू होती है root 3 by 2 का whole square minus 1. So let's see this. So it is 1 by 2 should be equals to 1 minus 2 into 1 by 4 should be equals to 2 into 3 by 4 minus 1. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So answer is 1 by 2 should be equals to 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 should be equals to 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. LHS equals to RHS equals to the next RHS. That's done. Let's move on to the next question, that is third का second part. Simply guys value put करनी है, we don't need to rub it. Cos 60 is, अच्छा, this is done. So that's all. Okay, so now I have rubbed the board and now I have written all the questions. That was right from the question number 4. So guys, you can check the sheet up. Now let's see. Question number 4 says sin a plus b equals to 1, right? Sin a plus b equals to 1, that's being given to you. क्या मैं 1 की जगह पर can I write sin 90 degrees? Now you will say, sir आपको ये कैसे मालूम पड़ा? आप cos 0 भी तो लिख सकते हो, आप tan 45 भी तो लिख सकते हो. Please understand, I need to compare. So if you can understand, यहाँ पर भी sin है, यहाँ पर भी sin है. So on comparing, what do you think the equation will become? On comparing, the equation will become as a plus b equals to 90 degrees. That's your equation number 1. Let's move on to the next, that is cos a minus b should be equals to root 3 by 2. Can I write root 3 by 2 के जगह पर cos में root 3 by 2 कब आता है? Cos में आता है 30 degrees पे. So let's write 30 degrees. On comparing, once again, a minus b should be equals to what? 30 degrees. That's your equation number 2. So अभी यदि मैंने दोनों इक्वेशन को सॉल्व किया, adding both of the equation, plus b minus b cancel, that is 2a should be equals to 90 plus 30 is 120, or a should be equals to 60 degrees, right? Putting this value back over here, don't do it like this, just write substituting the equation. So यहाँ पर आ जाएगा a की जगह पर 60, that is 60 minus b should be equal to 30, or then 60 minus 30 is 30 should be equals to b, और b की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी? 30 डिग्रीज. लेट्स ट्राई एंड चेक दिस वंस अगेन. a 60 b 30, तो 60 plus 30 is 90, 60 minus 30 is 30. That's all, it's done and solved, right? तो इन्होंने सिंपल लिखा हुआ था फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ a and b, मतलब दैट इज व्हाट नॉट आई हैव रिटन, बट उन्होंने लिखा था. सो फाइंड a and b, so that's all what was a and b. Now क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पर आते हैं. सो व्हाट वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 सेज 3 and 6 देके रखा है, फाइंड एंगल c एंड एंगल a. So you need to find out this particular angle, angle C. जब ये आ जाएगा तो कॉमन सेंस से A भी आ ही जाएगा. Okay. So let's write something like this. Sin C. I don't know what is this sin C. मुझे नहीं मालूम कौन सा एंगल है. Sin C should be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 3, hypotenuse is 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. तो sin C should be equal to 1 by 2. Or when do you think in sin actually कब आता है 1 by 2? तो यहाँ पर मैंने लिख दिया as sin 30 degrees. Or you can say that C should be equals to what? 30 degrees, and that's all, it's proved and done. So C की वैल्यू आ चुकी है कितनी? 30 degrees. Now already it is given that angle B is 90 degrees. If angle B is 90 degrees, if angle C is 30 degrees, then by angle sum property of the triangle, 90 plus 30 is 120, 180 minus 120 will be 60 degrees. So angle A should be equals to 60 degrees because sum of all angles in a triangle should be equals to what? 180 degree, and that's all, it's solved. Let's move on to the next question, guys. Question number 6. Now draw trigonometric table. I think the piece of cake, guys. So very simple. सबसे पहले बना दिया थीटा, फिर आपने यहाँ पे बना दिया 30 डिग्रीज, देन आपने यहाँ बना दिया 45, देन बनाया 60, देन बना दिया 90. ओके, यू कैन मेक इट लाइक दिस आल्सो बाय द वे. सो यहाँ पर मैंने लिख दिया आपके पास में साइन थीटा, देन आई हैव रिटन कॉस थीटा, देन आई हैव रिटन टैन थीटा, देन आई हैव रिटन साइन का उल्टा इज कोसेक थीटा, दैट इज द रेसिप्रोकल. कॉस का रेसिप्रोकल विल बी सेक थीटा, and then I have written tan का reciprocal will be cot theta. Now let's now move on to the sin 30 will be what? 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. And sin 90 is what? 1. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. 0 कहाँ खा गया? Oh, my fault. Let's now rub this. So let's write 0 degrees, then comes 30 degrees, then comes 45 degrees, then comes 60 degrees, then comes 90 degrees. Sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1, cos this one is 1, then उल्टा करके लिखना चालू कर दो, that is root 3 by 2, यहाँ पर 1 by root 2, यहाँ पर 1 by 2, यहाँ पर 0. Tan 0 will be 0, tan 30 will be 1 by root 3, tan 45 will be 1, tan 60 will be root 3, tan 90 will be not defined. Cosec 0 common sense sin का reciprocal will be not defined. Then यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 2, यहाँ पर आएगा root 2, यहाँ पर आएगा 2 by root 3, यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 1. then comes sec, so sec theta will be again reciprocal of cos, that is 1, then comes 2 by root 3, then comes root 2, then comes 2. आप इसका भी उल्टा लिख सकते हो, खैर। अच्छा हाँ सॉरी, so this particular part that is sec theta, so cos 0 would be not defined. Let's move on to now cot tan का उल्टा, so 0 का is not defined. 1 by root 3 is root 3, this will become 1, this will become 1 by root 3, and 1 upon not defined will be 0. That's all. Trigonometric table is also done. Now where's the beautiful duster of ours? Now let's move on to the next. Guys, so sorry for actually making this video a bit more lengthier, but I need to actually complete this. Just to, by the way, tell you that guys, trigonometry is not that tough. The only thing you need to do is make sure that you solve it. So question number guys, वो तो हो गया आपका 5th. Now 6th के अंदर 5 क्वेश्चन थे which were trigonometric identities. Again a piece of cake. So let's move on to question number 1. I forgot to rub this. 2 cos square theta. So 2 cos square theta में मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Let it be like this, plus 2 upon 1 plus cot square theta. What is the identity? If you remember, 1 plus cot square theta should be equals to cosec square theta. So let's write 2 upon cosec square theta. Please understand, 1 upon cosec square theta is what? Sin square theta. So I am writing 2 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta. Let's take out 2 common, तो अंदर क्या बचेगा? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Common sense guys, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, so LHS equals to RHS, hence proof done. Let's move on to property number 2 guys. Now of course you need to write that we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 either way. I have just written for 1, second भी लिख देना. Second, sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. Please understand, formula of a cube plus b cube should be equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So let's see this. So it will become, by the way, sin cube theta plus cos cube theta upon sin theta plus cos theta. You know, the other day I was watching a video of another teacher and hats off guys, the way actually he was teaching. मुझे लग रहा था कहीं हार्ट अटैक ना आ जाए मुझे. Just मतलब खतरनाक थे यार, कैसे कैसे टीचर होते हैं. I mean अच्छे टीचर थे. For whatever. Anyway, sin cube theta plus cos cube theta upon sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta should be equals to 1. So let's apply the formula. Formula होता है, यहाँ लिख देता हूँ, a cube plus b cube का formula होता है a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. You can write the word, we know that. I just hate writing, we know that. So let's write it. Sin cube theta plus cos cube theta, तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा sin theta plus cos theta bracket close bracket sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta whole upon, and of course यहाँ पर आएगा आपके पास में sin theta plus cos theta minus plus sin theta cos theta, and that is what you need to prove, that is RHS should be equals to what? 1. प्रूव करना है. यहीं से आ रहा है आंसर गाइस, एक ही स्टेप में आंसर आ गया. ये क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है इसलिए मैंने इस पूरी टर्म को इससे कैंसिल कर दिया है. ओके, नाउ डोंट आस्क द ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन कि सर आपने ये ब्रैकेट क्यों लगाया. गाइस घर की खेती है, कहीं पर भी लगाओ. नाउ sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज 1, सो इट विल बी 1 minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. Hopefully you would be able to get the answer. So let's not waste the time. So LHS equals to RHS, hence proved 1. Next पर आते हैं guys, question number 3 पर. I think ये बहुत कचरा हो गया. So let's now rub the board again. I mean, I just love practically, solving these kind of questions altogether. The more faster it is, the more better. वो boring तरह से एक ही question लगे हुए हैं, 40 minutes, 45 minutes. I just can't do it, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so hopefully you would understand the video. If you don't, then guys, please, unlike the video and then say that, sir, you are too fast, we couldn't understand a jack. So next time I'll then do the बैलगाड़ी वाला stuff. धीरे करूँगा. Let's now move on to the guys question number 3. So question number 3, sin theta minus cosec theta into cos theta minus sec theta. Let's apply Brahmastra. What is this Brahmastra? Anything of sin and cos will be changed to sin. So यहाँ पर आ जाएगा आपके पास में sin theta minus 1 upon sin theta in bracket closed ब्रैकेट यहाँ पर आ जाएगा cos थीटा माइनस 1 अपॉन cos थीटा बिकॉज इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ sec थीटा एंड यहाँ पर आपके पास में लिखा हुआ है शुड बी इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन tan थीटा प्लस cot थीटा। लेट्स नाउ ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट, देखते हैं बाद में जाके नहीं आएगा तो कर ही देंगे, पहले इसको देखते हैं। तो यहाँ पर ये वाली वैल्यू आ जाएगी मेरे पास में, एलसीएम लूंगा तो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1 अपॉन साइन थीटा, करेक्ट, ओके, इनटू यहाँ पर आ जाएगा cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1 अपॉन cos थीटा, करेक्ट। नाउ गाइस लेट्स टेक आउट माइनस साइन फ्रॉम दिस, क्यों निकाल रहा हूं यू विल जस्ट कम टू नो। तो मैंने माइनस साइन निकाला तो ये बन जाएगा 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन साइन थीटा, और ये वाला पार्ट बन जाएगा आपके पास में 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा बाय कॉस थीटा। नाउ सिंस मैंने यहां से भी माइनस साइन निकाला है तो माइनस इंटू माइनस विल बिकम व्हाट, प्लस, सो दैट मीन्स लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ओके। एंड देन कुछ था नीचे ऊपर, नहीं था। अब गाइस प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, इफ यू नो द आइडेंटिटी तो यहाँ लिख देता हूँ, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta should be equals to 1. So 1 minus sin square theta should be equals to what? Cos square theta. So let's put this. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta upon sin theta into 1 minus cos square theta is what? That is sin square theta upon cos theta. Cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled, sin and sin will get cancelled. So answer will be what? Answer should be equals to sin theta and cos theta, correct? ये आ चुका आपके पास में LHS, but it is not equals to coming to RHS. So let's apply now the formulas in RHS also. So RHS should be equals to 1 upon tan theta का मतलब हो जाएगा sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta का मतलब हो जाएगा cos theta by sin theta. It should be equals to, यहां पर आ चुका है 1 अपॉन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, एंड गाइस एलसीएम में साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा आएगा विच इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर, सो इट विल बी गोइंग एट द टॉप, सो दिस विल बिकम व्हाट, दिस विल बिकम साइन थीटा cos theta. So this is equals to 1, so answer is what, sin theta cos theta. LHS equals to RHS, hence proved, it's done. Let's move on to the next question guys, question number 5 पर आते हैं. So what does the question number 5 says? Sin theta plus cosec theta whole square. So let's open this. A square plus 2AB plus B square प्लस फिर से a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर इज a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर, होपफुली आई एम गेटिंग राइट, ओके, दैट्स ऑल। नाउ गाइस कॉमन सेंस है, यहां पर साइन स्क्वायर थीटा है और यहां पर कुछ भी नहीं है, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज व्हाट, दैट इज 1, सो लेट्स राइट 1, तो ये गया ये चला गया, प्लस यहां पर है आपके पास में 2 साइन थीटा एंड कोसेक थीटा। गाइस साइन थीटा से कोसेक थीटा कैंसिल हो जाता है बिकॉज कोसेक एग्जैक्टली रेसिप्रोकल होता है, सो ये कैंसिल। देन कम्स गाइस cos थीटा एंड sec थीटा विल आल्सो गेट कैंसिल्ड, सो इफ यू कैन सी 2 + 2 4 + 1, ये पहले से ही था। अब टर्म्स कौन सी बची है, कोसेक थीटा प्लस sec स्क्वायर थीटा, सो लेट्स राइट प्लस कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस sec स्क्वायर थीटा। So guys, if I am going to solve it, तो ये आ जाएगा 4 + 1 is 5. What do you think guys, cosec square theta किसके बराबर लिख सकते हो? 1 + cot square theta, अभी बताया था इसके पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में। So cosec square theta की जगह पर 1 + cot square theta, sec square theta की जगह पर 1 + tan square theta. So what do you think the final answer will be? 5 + 1 6 + 1 7, 7 ही आ रहा है, को 8 चाहिए था क्या, नहीं 7 ही चाहिए था। सो आंसर आ चुका है 7 + tan square theta plus cot square theta. That's all, it's done. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 5 guys. It's given, let's multiply them. So 1 into 1 will become 1 plus tan theta, I'm simply opening up the brackets, plus sec theta. Now cot theta into 1 will become plus cot theta, cot theta into tan theta, okay, so let's write plus cot theta into tan theta. Then let's write cot theta into sec theta plus cot theta into sec theta. Then comes, let's write minus cosec theta into 1 will be minus cosec theta. Then comes minus cosec theta into tan theta will become minus cosec theta dot tan theta. Minus cosec theta into sec theta will become minus cosec theta dot sec theta. And we need to prove this is equals to 2. I don't know how it is gonna come. Anyway, so सबसे पहले आते हैं यहाँ वाले पार्ट पे, तो 1 की जगह तो 1 ही रहेगा, प्लस tan थीटा की जगह पर एक बार tan थीटा ही रखते हैं, प्लस sec थीटा की जगह पर एक बार sec थीटा ही रखते हैं. कुछ कैंसिल होने वाला है क्या भाई? ओके. देन कम्स प्लस cot थीटा की जगह पर भी प्लस cot थीटा ही रखते हैं. Cot theta and tan theta of course will get cancelled, so it will become what? Plus 1 plus cot theta into sec theta plus cot theta into sec theta minus cosec theta tan theta. Okay, so it is going to be minus cosec theta dot tan theta, and then minus cosec theta dot sec theta, minus cosec theta dot sec theta. So let's now open this part guys. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 plus tan का मतलब हो जाता है sin theta plus cos theta, plus sec का मतलब हो जाता है 1 upon cos theta, cot का मतलब हो जाता है cos theta by sin theta. 1 तो अपन ने ऐड कर ही लिया था. cot theta dot sec theta का मतलब आ जाएगा cos theta by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. करेक्ट. सो cos से cos वाला पार्ट भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. माइनस cosec थीटा का मतलब माइनस 1 अपॉन sin थीटा, माइनस cosec थीटा और tan थीटा का मतलब हो जाएगा माइनस 1 बाय sin थीटा, और tan थीटा का मतलब हो जाता है sin थीटा बाय cos थीटा. सो इनटू sin थीटा बाय cos थीटा. sin थीटा से sin थीटा भी कैंसिल. Then comes minus cosec theta into sec theta will become minus 1 upon sin theta into sec theta will be 1 upon cos theta. So let's see पूरा कुछ काटने पीटने के बाद में क्या बचता है हमारे पास में. So it should be equals to 2 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. Okay. प्लस cos थीटा बाय sin थीटा प्लस cos थीटा से ये cos थीटा कैंसिल हो गया था, प्लस 1 अपॉन sin थीटा माइनस 1 अपॉन sin थीटा. सो ऑफ कोर्स गाइस ये भी कैंसिल हो चुका आपके पास में. देन माइनस 1 अपॉन cos थीटा. बताइए गाइस ये भी कैंसिल हो गया. सो दिस विल आल्सो गेट कैंसिल्ड इट आउट. सो अल्टीमेटली क्या बचता है आपके पास में 2 प्लस sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta, sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. अब गाइस इसका कुछ एलसीएम निकालने का फायदा नहीं है, तो इसको मैं ऐसे ही छोड़ देता हूँ. इन दोनों का एलसीएम निकालूंगा. सो दिस वुड बिकम sin square theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta cos theta. So this should become 2 plus यहाँ पर आएगा 1 upon sin theta cos theta. But that's not what is to be proved. यहाँ पे कुछ तो कैंसिल होना चाहिए था somewhat. So I think there would be some question mistake. I don't know. Let's check. So if you can see this guys, what we have done, the mistake was ये जो 1 upon minus sin theta cos theta था, we have forgot to write that. So let's write minus 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. So this would ultimately get cancelled out, and answer is what? 2. LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. It's done guys. So that's all. In fact, let's write over here as 1 upon sin theta dot cos theta. Okay. So that's all from my side guys. So this was a marathon session altogether. Do comment guys that if you want something to get changed over here, I would be completing one more test जो मैंने area of the sector का दिया था, and we'll try and complete the test within 1 hour. So guys, if I can do this by explaining you, I'm sure that you guys can do it much more faster than this without even explaining me. Thank you guys so much for being with me once again. Please guys, have respect for your parents. Have respect for each and every elder whomsoever you see. Their blessings would mean a lot to you. Thank you so much once again. Love you guys. Bye.